Silver demand keeps climbing, but supply can't always keep up. Could that imbalance be the key to its future price growth? When people think of silver, they often focus only on its value compared to gold. But the Why Precious Metals Guide shows that silver supply story plays a big role in its long-term potential. Industrial demand, from electronics to medical tools, has at times exceeded what mining and recycling can provide. Add to that the fact that the US silver stockpile has been depleted twice in the last 50 years, and you can see why supply pressure matters. This imbalance between demand and limited supply is one of the reasons silver has historically shown powerful price moves during metals bull markets. It helps you understand why silver's scarcity isn't just a side note. It could be a driver of future value. I've linked the guide in the description so you can explore these details directly. This is one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like Silver Scheme Report and Setup and Pricing Information. Together, they give you a clear, balanced perspective before making any decisions about your retirement savings. Download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free and see how silver supply constraints could shape its value over time. You will find the link waiting just below this video.